Hey Tops families, it's Mrs. Watt, your elementary principal. And as we are wrapping up semester one, I wanted to go over a few very important announcements for the end of the semester. So first and foremost today, Wednesday, December 18th, is the last day to turn in assignments for semester one. So check your gradebook for M's, see if there's any blanks anywhere, see if there's grades that you don't like that you need to redo, and get all of that done today because today is the last day to turn in anything for semester one. The next announcement is the fun stuff. So tomorrow we have our homeroom parties at lunchtime, so check your CC schedule for that. I've seen the slides. It's going to be fun. Come play games with your homeroom teacher and your homeroom classmates and enjoy that time together as we wrap up the semester and the end of the 2019 too. So, and then the next fun thing and announcement is our virtual talent show on Friday. I've also seen those slides and videos, and man, we have some talented students, and you will enjoy watching those talents and seeing those different talents. We're looking at artwork, we've got singing, we've got a comedy routine. So come and enjoy that. That's also on your CC schedule for this Friday at 10 a.m. So, and then the next thing that you need to know is that Friday at noon, you're done. You are done with semester one. You're done with the school year part of 2019. And then you get to come back on Wednesday, January 8th, to start semester two and to start 2020. And so we look forward to seeing you then. Hope you have a wonderful break and get some rest. Enjoy some time with family and friends, and we will see you back on Wednesday, January 8th. Have a great day.